Hello and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about how to play Valorant for beginners. Now, if you just started playing Valorant, you should and you will most definitely get a tutorial. And the tutorial, you're going to start over here. It's going to tell you how to move, how to jump. Basically over here it's going to tell you to jump, over here it's going to tell you to crouch, and then it's going to tell you to run, and then it's going to tell you to jump in that teleporter. And then you jump in the teleporter, it's going to tell you to, do this diffuse scenario. You do the diffuse scenario. After you're done with the diffuse scenario, it's going to bring you over here to the spike planting scenario. And after you're done with this, you should be in the main lobby, which is going to be right here. Once you're in the main lobby, ranked competitive is going to be blocked off. You'll have unrated, spike rush, deathmatch, replication, escalation, and customs. I will suggest start playing unrated. Keep playing unrated until you can actually top frag. Like you're top fragging 5 or 10 games in a row in unrated. Yes, once you're able to do that, then start competitive. Because if you're bottom fragging in unrated, and I mean it, if you're bottom fragging in unrated, going into competitive will mean you will either end up with an iron account, with a rank that's iron, bronze, or something like that. And you don't want that. No one wants that, obviously. You want to get the good ranks. So I would, here's my 2-piece on that. Keep playing unrated until you're top fragging every game and then hop into competitive. That is the best thing you can do. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. And if you have a red carpet like this, stop playing Valorant the way I am. I'm just taking a break from this game. Anyways, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, hit that subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because we're dropping videos every day. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Peace.